Hi traders, welcome to Traders Wealth Group. This is Sharma here. Earlier video did not catch my audio. So I'm making this video very simple and very short so that you can understand very quickly. This is a system that filters stocks for a swing and BTST and intraday also. So we have five kinds of filters added it together in one sheet that is called 5 in 1. You can see that this is the sheet. First gives you the best stocks that you can filter from this. So uh, this is the dashboard for Blast. So you can see that five stocks or four stocks have come, and very few stocks will be the best stocks will be filtered over here. And you can see Bharti Airtel, Bajaj Finance. Out of these stocks, again, only Bajaj Finance was filtered as Gamma Blast. M&M was Gamma Blast, and the conditions I have given is that uh, whenever the any stock that squeezes and becomes narrow, and volume increases, and then we can expect that stock to blast. So these many conditions are given here, four or five conditions that match, then only it filters the few stocks, like three stocks we have got. And this is the second one is RSI. This is based on RSI, ATR, relative volume, and EMA 50, EMA 20. I have given four or five conditions, and the best momentum stocks will be with the condition called RSI. Then these stocks also will show you this scanner will show you the probability and high swing stocks. And then we have trending stocks over here. This trending stocks is the institutional pullback setup. So whenever any pullback happens in any stock, so it will filter the stocks out of the 200, 300 stocks from the market, and then it gives you the best stocks over here. And then we have momentum dashboard, the same, okay, kind of thing. And it has filtered almost all the same, the Lab and the pharma sector stocks are now populated here. Then we have uh, sector rotation based on the sectorial rotations. So we get these stocks over here. These can be traded uh, intraday and as well as what you call for BTST, because I have given the auto trigger over here. Once you set up the triggers, it will run at 9:15 or 9:30, between 9:15 and 9:20 once, and again after 3:15, and it sends you the stocks. It gives you the stocks that are best to trade. So this is one of the best setup that you can find all the stocks at one place. So all the stocks, all the swing traders, swing filters were at one place. Otherwise, these filters were separately made. Like I can show you. This is a 52 weeks, and this is again the narrow range and gamma blast, and this is called FNO stock RSA filter. So for intraday and BTST, so you get stocks like this for intraday and also for BTST. So then again we have a pullback scanner. So I have made one scanner for all these. Like just open this, save this in your Google Drive, and run it at in the morning once and at 3:15 once. Then whichever strike price, whichever scanner that you want, you can just say click that and run it. So once you run it, it automatically pulls the data. For example, if I click on the number one, so it the script runs and on the back end, and it will send you the best stocks. It gives you the best stocks on the scanner. Okay. So for example, now see, you can see 56 stocks were past the filter, but it has only picked the five top set of stocks were on the momentum dashboard. You can see on the momentum dashboard we got five stocks. It got refreshed, and we'll get five stocks like this. So you can take a trade based on this in the morning or at 3:15 to hold it as a BTST or for swing trading. So this is one of the best. Those who want to have one setup for BTST and swing trading, they can use this. And this is called 5 in 1, because I have made five setups here. I put 5 setups over here. Like as I told you, there are separately. So you can also get these separately. So these are all separate dashboard setups in the swing, for swing, for blast scanners, and then we have FNO scanner for intraday Nifty with RSI, and then we have pullback, and then we have something else like no at 320 BTST and intraday trading. So to avoid too many sheets, what I did is I have made it into one sheet. So if at all, if you are interested for this sheet, in this sheet, you can come and contact me at my number 949-234-0656. You can call me or WhatsApp me for this sheet. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and have a profitable day also. Thank you. Please click the like button and also share with your friends so that others also will understand what is this. So thank you. So if at all, if anybody wants to check this in live market, they can contact me even on WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you. Bye.